Hello children, welcome to 3rd standard English. Today our topic skill development.
Children, let's see one reading comprehension. Children, are you ready to listen? Topic apples. Children, do you like apples? Apples can be red, yellow or green. Okay. Each color taste is different. Each color taste is different. They are fruits. You can make apples into treats. You can make apples into treats. Apples grow on trees. They finish growing in the fall. Then you can pick them to eat. When you pick an apple, you twist it and then pull it off the tree. There are 5 parts of an apple. The outside is the skin, the inside is the flesh. There are seeds inside of the apple. The stem is on top. Some apples have leaves by the stem. What else do you know about apples? Think and write it in your note. Okay. I asked some question from this passage. Children, are you ready? Yeah. Children, read that passage more than 2 times. Then answer these questions. Okay. First question. When do apples finish growing? When do apples finish growing? Second one, what is this passage about? What is this passage about? How many parts does an apple have? How many parts does an apple have? Fourth one, what is something you wonder about apples after reading this passage? What is something you wonder about apples after reading this passage? Children, pause this video, write your answer and then check your answers. Okay? Okay children, let's check your answers. When do apples finish growing? Apples finished growing in the fall. What is this passage about? This passage is about apples, how they grow on the part of the apple. Third one, how many parts does an apple have? An apple has 5 parts. An apple has 5 parts. Fourth one answer will vary. Okay. Children, let's do one activity. Are you ready for some fun activity? Yeah, very good. Let's paint today with some water colors and cotton. Do you want to know how we can do this? Listen children. Dip the cotton in watercolors and tap the cotton on the drawing sheet. Okay. Make different patterns on the sheet by draping colored cotton on drawing sheet. Okay. Paint with cotton. Children, let the sheet dry. Write the name of your family members on the sheet with black sketch pen. Okay. Children, next we are going to develop our writing skill. My pet parrot. I have a pet. My pet is parrot. His name is Peter. Peter is a talking parrot. Peter is a talking parrot. Peter loves to sing. He sings his favorite song. He sings very well. He likes dancing too. Peter is so smart and talented. He is so cute and funny too. Children, dislike. Write a paragraph about your favorite pet. I hope you will do this. Okay. Children, next fun learning activities. Let us sing. Welcoming spring. Out of the cave, out of the hole, came the rabbit and the foal. Hatched from egg in the nest, the birds to join to the feast. The leaves green and flowers swing. Do you know that it's spring? Children, come on, join with me and sing. Out of the cave, out of the hole, came the rabbit and the foal. Hatched from egg in the nest, the birds to join to the feast. The leaves green and flowers swing. Do you know that it's spring? Bugs are back and the little spider in black. Bears, rabbit and bees, near flowers, grass and trees. Just like they hum, that spring has come. Come on, children, join with me and sing. The bugs are back and the little spider in black. Bears, rabbits and bees, near flowers, grass and trees. Just like they hum, that spring has come. Children, did you have fun?
Thank you, children. We will meet in the next video.